Hey everyone. Well, today we're going to give everybody an opportunity to take a look at the M, which is STEM, but we're going to look at the math that you see in STEM using this particular website. This is called Grid Code. And your goal is to get the robot to travel around the maze to go to a specific task. So let's take a look. Here's our robot, and we want our robot to go to different types of geometrical shapes. Here it says program your bot to move to the triangle right here. So here's the bot, pretty simple. All you have to do is go down here to the bottom and select one of these arrows, whether it's left, right, or up or down. So in our case, we want to get our bot to go from this direction to this direction. So we simply count 1, 2, 3, 4 and place 4 arrows here. Let's see if that gets us to the correct space. I want to go to check. And that's pretty simple. All right, so then after that, you'll click next. It asks you now to program your bot to move to the next geometric shape, which was here to here. Now, in the event if you make a mistake, I want to show you this. And I mean, this is pretty simple, but just in case you make a mistake, let's go to check. All you have to do is simply select the box or wherever the mistake was. And as you can see, when the arrows were going, you can see where your mistake was. So what you're going to do to correct the mistake, you'll place this here. So you just simply select the mistake and then put the correct algorithm there. Oops. All right. And that's pretty simple. And then you go to the next one and program from there. So it starts off very, very easy, and then it gets a little challenging as we go. All right. So enjoy.